the digital image processing based on the organization sector. So we have to quick review on that and we have to continue that lecture. Okay. So applications, digital image processing has lots of applications. We already studied different types of applications related with the digital image processing, which is based on the source of the image. So it may be some ultraviolet, it may be some electromagnetic spectrum, it may be another one sound wave, it may be electronic microscope, or it may be some computer generated image. So all we have to we already discuss all these parts. Now next is application related with the image processing based on the organization sector. So there are some applications which are used for the specific sectors. So we already starts this point, but we have to quick review this. So in medical sector, there are lots of applications in image processing such as X-rays, CT scan, PET scan, MRI scan, ultraviolet rays, then in sonography center. So there are lots of uses of the this application in a medicine field. Now in agriculture field, there are also one of the different important applications such as this weed detection, food grading, harvest control, fruit packing, that will be automatically done. So these are the some of the important application of digital image processing based on in agriculture industry. So also there are some vegetation in indices, canopy measurement. Okay, so these are the another some application, or land mapping. So these are the some of the application in a agriculture industry. Okay, so we already discussed in last lecture these parts. In weather forecasting, so there are different applications related with the weather forecasting, such as rainfall prediction, hailstorm prediction, flooding prediction. So these are the some of the important applications related with the weather forecasting. In entertainment and social media, there are lots of applications. So it is one of the important is face detection or recognition system, or touching of the photo, or good quality of photos sent to the social media networking. So these are the some of the applications related with the entertainment and social industry. Now, one of the most important application of the digital image processing is photography, photography and film industry. So there are lots of applications in this. So generally, now, whenever we have to create a photo, or we have to take a snap of a particular person or particular location, particular object, so we can touch that photo, or we can enhance that photo, and this is one of the important applications of a photography. Or then another one, in the movies there are some complex scene. That complex scene are created with the help of image and video editing tools. So we have discussed all these applications or one examples. So all these parts we have to discuss in a previous lecture. Another one important application of this digital image processing is the prediction whether the particular film will be a success or not. So that will be predicting the movie's success using the image analysis. So by using this technique, prediction will be done. So this part we already discussed in a previous lecture. Now this is also one we have to discuss in last lecture, that is security system. So in our security system, so there are one of the important technique of security is biometric verification. So biometric verification consists of different types. So in its thumb expression, facial recognition, it retina recognition, sound matching. So these are the different examples for the biometric verification. So in a security system, all these techniques are used, and here the image processing or sound technique will be used. So for example, thumb recognition. So in thumb recognition, a particular person can give the thumb, it will be matched with the database, and if the particular match will be found, he can grant access. So that is biometric verification, thumb recognition. Or in a facial recognition, same technique. So face image will be captured, that captured image will be compared or searched with the database. If the match will be found, that particular person will be given the access. So that is an example of biometric verification. So there are so lots of the different example will be here. So see, another one is to create the alert for the undesirable behavior, video surveillance system, or some other departments using the image processing based surveillance, video surveillance system. So these are the some of the example of this system. Okay, so this is biometric verification example. Then in a banking and finance sector, so in a banking and finance sector, so there are lots of another examples. So image processing based technique, so user identification technique is used here. So remote desktop check capture, this is also one of the example of the remote banking sector. So check can drop in a ATM like machine, and that check will be scanned, and a particular amount will be deposited in a particular person's account. So that will be one of the example in a banking sector, or counting of the coins, or counting of the currency. So these are the example in a banking and finance sector. Okay, another one is face detection. Some organization uses the face detection for the bank customer identification or authorization purpose. Okay, so facial biometric will be used. So these are the example in a banking sector. Okay, then another one important use is a signature verification. This is one of the most important use of the banking sector. See, when you have to open the account, it can take the signature, sample signature, and whenever you can do the transaction, that signature would be compared with your check signature or whatever the withdrawal signature, and if the both are same, then you can grant the access or you can give the money. So that is signature verification technique. So this signature verification is one of the important application in the banking and finance sector. See, automatic signature verification, this is one of the new challenge, one of the challenge in a research field. Okay, त्याच्यात सिग्नेचर व्हेरिफिकेशन हा सगळ्यात मोठा चॅलेंज आहे सध्याच्या ह्याच्यात. सो बिकॉज सी व्हेरीफाय हँड रिटन सिग्नेचर इज स्टिल नीडेड टू डेव्हलप, बिकॉज each person has its own signatures. Each person has its own different types of corners or shapes or line style. So each person has different style, and that's why this is one of the important challenge in a researcher, that automatic verification of the signature. So this process has many challenges because handwritten signature are imprecise in nature, that the corners are not always sharp, lines are not perfectly straight, curves are not normally smooth. So these are means whenever you have to draw the corners, each person's corner will be different, each person's line drawing will be different. So each person's handwritten is different, and that's why this is one of the important challenge in front of the researcher to automatic signature verification. So these are the some of the application in banking and finance sector. Then in defense sector, so already we discussed this defense sector. So defense in a military purpose, what are this needs? So there are two main purpose. One is autonomous operation, and second one will be output from the specific range to predict the danger and threat. So these are the two uses, or there are lots of uses, but these are the some of the examples which are given here. So for example, suppose satellite can take the picture of that particular area, and that military some expert analyze that area. They can identify how many enemies are there, how what are different types of weapons they have used. So all these information or the location of the enemies is also detected, and from that they can do the different operations. So the commando like operations uses this technique, or in a future in some next some distance where there are possibly threats or not, where there possibly enemies are available or not. So all these applications are related with the defense system. Okay, so these are the examples which are used in a defense system. Next, industrial autonomy. Yeah, industrial automation. So we already discussed some of the application related with this in industrial. Say in motherboard. Say, whenever you have to create the when that particular industry create the motherboard, they can scan that motherboard, and it can identify whether the any component will be missing or not, or what is the perfect location of the specific component. So all these will be discussed, or all these we already discussed in a previous lectures. So that is one of the application of industrial automation. So there is another application we have to study, whether the bottle will be filled or empty. So this is one of the another application of industrial automation. Okay, so there will be bottling robot are used to detect the moving bottles, Then automation of inspection of surface interfacing is possible due to the image processing. The main objective are determining object quality and detect any abnormality in that product. So these are the two main uses. So determine object quality, whether the particular object, whether the particular motherboard will be right quality or not, whether that particular motherboard has some defect or not. So all these will be identified using the digital image processing applications. Okay, so many industry also uses classification technique for the sharp automation. So classification of the particular product, so they can classify the good product, bad product, some defective product. So based on that, they can different applications. Okay, so image processing system has successfully used in a manufacturing industry for many tasks such as safety system, quality control, control of automated guided vehicles. So these are also example. You can see driverless car. So this is one of the application of image processing. Driverless car. So what is this? That is means automating a guided vehicle. So driverless car. So it can take the image of the front and identify whether there is any object or not, when any obstacle is or not, and according to that they can say send whatever the signals. So that is also example of automated guided system. So these are the example of a industrial automation in forensic science. So this is one of the important industry or one of the important sectors. So forensic industries, forensic science. So forensic science generally used in criminal offense or something in that field, there will be a forensic science. So here the tempered document are widely used in criminal and civil cases. Such cases, wills, financial papers, professional business document, etc. Tempered paper. So tempered documents. So this is one of the concept that tempered documents means document which are forged document, or so document which are some not clear documents. So such type of documents are used in criminal cases or civil cases. So such cases will be financial paper or something professional business documents. So these are the applications. Or document like passport, driving license are frequently tempered. म्हणजे डुप्लिकेशन जे केलेलं असतं, तुम्ही बऱ्याच ठिकाणी बघितलं असेल की बऱ्याच मूवीमध्ये पण आपण बघतो की डुप्लिकेट पासपोर्टवर ट्रॅव्हलिंग केलं जातं. मग ते डुप्लिकेट पासपोर्ट कसा ओळखायचा किंवा डुप्लिकेट डॉक्युमेंट कसं ओळखायचं. So for that purpose, image processing technique is used. So document like passport, driving license are frequently tampered with in order to use illegally as identification proof. So illegally, the particular document will be created. That is tempered document. That is not original quality document, and that's why this will be one of the forensic related example. Okay, so forensic department also have identified the authenticity to such a species documents. So forensic department must identify whether that document, that passport, that driving license, or any forged document will be authorized document or duplicate document. So that will be identified by using digital image processing technique. So identifying document forgery becomes the increasable challenge due to the availability of advanced document editing tools. Now this is one of the important advanced challenge, because see, there are lots of different image editing tools are available. Okay, and due to that you can easily edit the document, easily edit the images, and this will be important challenge, that how to identify such forged document, such edited document. So this is one of the important challenge आहे, महत्वाचं. बऱ्याच जण अशापर्यंत डॉक्युमेंट एडिट करतात, ज्याला इलिगल ऍक्टिव्हिटी करायचे ते लोक असे करतात. सो दॅट विल बी वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट चॅलेंज. द फोर्जर्स यूज द लेटेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजी टू मेक द आर्ट परफेक्टली. सो परफेक्टली म्हणजे ते जे डुप्लिकेट डॉक्युमेंट आहे, आता बऱ्याच ठिकाणी तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल की नोटा डुप्लिकेट बनवल्या जातात, पासपोर्ट डुप्लिकेट असते, ड्रायव्हिंग लायसन, आधार कार्ड डुप्लिकेट, रेशनिंग कार्ड डुप्लिकेट बनवलं जातं. तर हे सगळं जे काय, सो दॅट विल बी अ फोर्ज्ड डॉक्युमेंट. अँड टू आयडेंटिफाय सच फोर्ज्ड डॉक्युमेंट, दिस इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट चॅलेंज in front of the government. Okay, and that will be one of the application of digital image processing. Okay, Then Perger is not only confined to document, it is also gaining popularity in image. So image also, or in this. So here, the image has remarkable role in various areas such as forensic investigation, criminal investigation, surveillance system, intelligence system, sports, legal services, medical image, insurance claiming, and journalism. So these are the all different types of images are used in different types of sectors, and in that sectors, forensic science is applied. Okay, this is one of the important your career path also. Okay, तुमच्यासाठी हा एक करिअर पाथ आहे की फॉरेन्सिक सायन्स मध्ये पण तुम्हाला कम्प्युटरच्या लोकांना काम करायला चान्सेस आहेत. कारण हे जे आता सगळे जे डॉक्युमेंट्स किंवा आता जे क्राईम्स होतात ह्याच्यामध्ये बऱ्याचसा आयसीटी बेसचा यूज केला जातो. आणि मग ह्या ठिकाणी मग तुम्हाला सायबर क्राईम किंवा हे जे आहे त्या ठिकाणी किंवा फॉरेन्सिक सायन्स मध्ये कम्प्युटर सिस्टीमच्या लोकांना बऱ्याच जे चान्सेस आहेत, तर तो एक तुम्ही करिअर पाथ म्हणून बघू शकता. ओके, सो दिस इज सम ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल. सो इन फॉरेन्सिक इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन, क्रिमिनल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन म्हणजे वेगवेगळे जे पोलिसांची शोध घेतात त्यामध्ये सुद्धा ह्या फॉरेन्सिक सायन्सचा यूज होतो आणि त्यामध्ये कम्प्युटर सिस्टीमचा वापर केला जातो. म्हणजे तुम्ही आधी जर CID मालिका बघितली असेल तर तुम्हाला माहित होईल की त्यात कशा पद्धतीनं फॉरेन्सिक सायन्स कम्प्युटर सिस्टीमचा यूज करतात. म्हणजे एखादा समजा एक एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं म्हणलं तर एखाद्या व्यक्ती डेड बॉडी आहे आणि त्याचा जर चेहरा व्यवस्थित नसेल तर त्याच्या हाडाच्या ठेवणीवरून त्याचा चेहरा कम्प्युटर सिस्टीम क्रिएट करते आणि मग तो चेहरा आयडेंटिफाय केला जातो की बाबा हा पर्टिक्युलर पर्सनचा चेहरा आहे. सो दॅट इज वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ फॉरेन्सिक सायन्स. फॉरेन्सिक सायन्स मध्ये अशा पद्धतीने कम्प्युटर सिस्टीमचा यूज केला जातो. सो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ युजेस. ओके, then in marketing and advertisement techniques, so we know that advertisement, so today's word is advertisement word. So in this advertisement lots of images are used, and that is also image processing application. So some companies are using image sharing through the social media, okay, in order to track the influence of the company's latest product or advertisement updates. Okay, काही कंपन्या किंवा काही कंपन्या काय करतात, त्यांचं सोशल मीडियावर अकाउंट टाकतात आणि त्या अकाउंटवर नुसार ते आयडेंटिफाय करतात की हे पर्टिक्युलर इमेज कुठल्या लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचले किंवा कुठल्या अकाउंट पर्यंत पोहोचले, and depends on that they can take the decision. Then another one important use the tourist department. Tourist department uses most of this technique. जे टुरिस्ट डिपार्टमेंट आहेत गव्हर्नमेंटचे असतील किंवा टुरिस्ट ऑर्गनायझेशन असतील ते काय करतात की त्यांचे इमेज काढतात, फोटो काढतात, ते त्याची जाहिरात करतात. सो दॅट इज ऑल्सो इमेज प्रोसेसिंग ऍप्लिकेशन्स. So tourist department uses image to advertise the tourist destinations. Okay, so these are the one of the example. Then another type, underwater image restoration and enhancement. So this is one of the new field. बऱ्याच आता नवीन फील्ड हे डेव्हलप होत चाललेलं आहे की आता जमिनीवरचे किंवा आपण रेग्युलर मधले फोटो पण काढू शकतो, पण पाण्यातले फोटो की पाण्यामध्ये अतिशय जास्त मिनरल्स किंवा सोर्स आहे, म्हणजे जे ऑइल असेल, पेट्रोल असेल किंवा हिरे किंवा काय जे असेल, जे वेगवेगळे धातू आहेत हे पाण्यामध्ये म्हणजे समुद्रात भरपूर मिळतात, पण त्याचं ऍक्च्युली लोकेशन फाइंड करणं, ओके, तिथले फोटो घेणं किंवा अंडर वॉटर फोटो घेणं. सो दॅट इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट चॅलेंज अँड दॅट विल बी डू युजिंग द इमेज प्रोसेसिंग. सो अंडर वॉटर इमेज आर नॉट क्लिअर इमेज. अंडर वॉटर इमेज, कारण पाण्यामध्ये जर इमेज काढायला, फोटो काढायचं म्हणलं, सो दॅट इमेज इज नॉट क्लिअर इमेज. So due to the light problem or due to some other restrictions, so that image is not clear image. So when you have to capture the image in water, you can enhance that image, you can increase the contrast, you can something down, you can do the different types of operations, image processing operation, and that image will be clear. So these image has various problems such as noise. That image consists of noise, low contrast, blurring, non-uniform lighting, etc. So these are the problems in a water. हे पाण्यामध्ये हे बरेचसे, म्हणजे पाण्यामध्ये जर फोटो घेतले तर हे प्रॉब्लेम त्यावेळेस येतात. नॉईस असेल की कॉन्ट्रास्ट लो असेल, ब्लरिंग होतं किंवा लाईटचे तेवढ्या पद्धतीने प्रकाश नसेल. सो दीज आर द प्रॉब्लेम. सो टू ऑर्डर टू रिस्टोर द क्लिअरिटी, इमेज एनहान्समेंट टेक्निक्स आर यूज टू क्लिअर द इमेज. त्यामुळे ही जी इमेज अंडर वॉटर आहे, सो टू क्लिअर दॅट इमेज, image enhancement techniques are used. Okay, so these are the one of the application. Then consumer electronics. Okay, so this is one of the another area. प्रत्येकाने आपला name, you have to enter a name in a chat box for attendance purpose. Attendance साठी तुम्ही तुमचं name chat box मध्ये type करा. Okay. कंझ्युमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, हे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेक्टर मध्ये पण ह्याचा यूज होईल. सो कंझ्युमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स म्हणजे काय की आता जे नवीन नवीन कॅमेरेज येतात किंवा नवीन हँडीकॅम्स येतात किंवा व्हिडिओ शूटिंगचे कॅमेरे येतात त्या ठिकाणी ह्याचा यूज केला. सो कंझ्युमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, so digital camera and camcorders with sophisticated built-in processing capability has rendered film and analog tape technology. Okay, so these new films, new cameras has high resolution cameras, so they have inbuilt capability. तुम्ही काही कॅमेरामध्ये बघितलं असेल किंवा काही आपण मोबाईलमध्ये सुद्धा बघूया की मोबाईलमध्ये सुद्धा तुम्ही ज्यावेळेस फोटो घेता तेच ब्युटी फीचर असतं किंवा त्यात वेगवेगळे फीचर्स दिलेले आहेत. ओके, मग हे काय आहेत फीचर्स, तुम्ही ब्लॅक व्हाईट फीचर आहे किंवा कॉन्ट्रास्ट फीचर आहे किंवा असे वेगवेगळे फीचर्स असतात. सो दॅट फीचर्स आर नथिंग बट डिजिटल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग ऍप्लिकेशन. सो दिस न्यू कॅमेराज, न्यू video shooting cameras, so these all have different inbuilt features of image processing. So by using that features you can create the high definition photos, or you can create the good quality images, or there are different software techniques are available, software packages are available. So for that these packages are used to develop the different types of image applications. So different software packages which are used to enhance, edit, organize and publish the image or video files. Okay, so by using the softwares you can create the enhance the image, you can edit the image, you can organize, you can arrange the image in different forms and publish that image. आता ह्याचं सगळ्यात चांगलं उदाहरण घ्यायचं म्हणलं तर बघा की तुम्ही जर फोटो लग्नातले फोटोचा अल्बम बघा, सो दॅट युजेस दिस ऑल ऍप्लिकेशन. दे कॅन एनहान्स द इमेज, दे कॅन एडिट द इमेज, दे कॅन ऑर्गनाइज दॅट इमेज in album and then publish, that means they can print that particular. So these are the applications. So there are lots of different software applications, software packages are used. So for image editing, for video editing, so lots of packages are available. Okay, so by using that packages that particular image will be developed. So high definition TV, this is also one of the example. Then monitors, DVD players, then personal video recorder. Okay, so are this popular and affordable. So easily cameras are available for low cost, कमी किमतीत चांगल्या क्वालिटीचे कॅमेरे अवेलेबल होतात किंवा हाय डेफिनेशन टीव्ही आपल्याला मिळतात. सो दीज आर द ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ डिजिटल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग. So large images and video are also successful made to other devices such as personal digital assistant, PDA, cell phones, portable music players, etc. Okay.